In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user or team member in GoHighLevel. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you have access to the agency dashboard. That's the main control area where you manage locations, settings, and team members. Once you're in, look for your agency dashboard screen. This is your starting point for adding any new staff or users to your system. From the agency dashboard, move your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all of your configuration options live. Anytime you want to adjust how your account works or who has access, you'll usually begin by heading into the settings area. Inside settings, find and click on the option labeled My Staff. This section is dedicated to everyone who has access to your GoHighLevel account at that location: team members, users, and staff in general. Opening My Staff lets you see a list of existing users and is also where you'll add new ones. Now, on the My Staff page, look for a button that says Add User and click on it. This will open the form you'll use to create the new team member. Think of this as the profile setup for that person, where you'll define who they are and what they can do inside the platform. The first field you'll see is for the user's first name. Type in the first name of the person you want to add. It's best to use their real name, because this can appear in communication, internal notes, and reporting. Next, move to the last name field and type in their last name. Keeping names accurate and consistent will help you stay organized, especially if you're managing a larger team or multiple locations. After that, enter their email address. This is very important because GoHighLevel uses this email to send login details and notifications. Double check that there are no typos and make sure it's an email address they actively use for work. Once those details are filled in, click on Next. This will take you to the part of the setup where you decide what this user is allowed to do in the system. Here, review the available permissions and select the appropriate role for this team member. Choose the level of access that matches their responsibilities, whether that's full admin style access or more limited, task-specific access. When you're happy with the permissions and role you've assigned, go ahead and click on Save. That's it. Your new user is now created in GoHighLevel and ready